Hello and welcome to this video about the document agent. I'm Valentin Zickner, and based on the previous video about the orchestrator agent, I am going to show you how you can use a document agent within your orchestrator agent. You can also use the document agent alone. In this case, it might be also helpful to watch the video about the utility agent, which we are linking in the description as well. And that basically gives you the approach how you can call an operation from a process or a case. To get started, I am actually in Flowable Design and I have my case from the previous video open. On that case, when we click on the case plan model, we can go to AI and then select the agent model, and we just navigate there. Since there you have now documents, and for documents we are going ahead and selecting a new document agent model. We call that loan document agent, and now we press create. Then we open that loan document agent and we say in here this should be from the type document agent. In here we have some default operations, the same as we have them for the orchestrator agent. So data extraction, that one here takes basically the output based on the associated form. We have a prompt. We are just using the default prompt in here. You can, as always, override the default prompt. For the document agent, we have a special thing called document classification. In here, we can specify different content models which we would like to classify. Therefore, it uses a prompt, same story. Default prompt is what we are going to use in this video. And we are now adding two content models. The first one we are calling invoice. And in here, we say we would like to use the data extraction operation, which is our default operation. You can override that with your own. And the second one, which we are going to add, is the ID document. And here as well, we are going with the data extraction. Now, for those content models, we now classify which one it is. But we also have the data extraction, which decides basically what to do with that data. And therefore, it is helpful to create an action form for create and edit. So let's create here a simple form. That's our invoice form. And we are keeping that form pretty simple for now. We just say we would like to extract from the invoice the first name and the last name. You can also have something more complicated, like a list of items in here modeled with a subform multi-instance. But in here, it's now more about the being able to extract data and less about the complexity of forms. So we are going for first name, last name, and total amount. We are adding that form also to our edit form that we see it later on in Flowable work. And with that, we have done our invoice. We are also done with our document agent. We are done with our orchestrator agent. You can simply also press save all. And we can go back to our case model, in which we can now say, okay, when we have a regular loan and somebody uploads an invoice, therefore I'm going to add an intent event listener in here. And we say this one is invoice uploaded. Then we would like to create a new human task, and we call that one review invoice. We save that and we publish. And now we can go ahead and try that out. So let's go to Flowable work. In here, let's say we are creating a new loan request handling. John Doe, just another loan. And the amount is this time 1,000. I want to buy a laptop. And now the AI analysis is happening in the background. We see here handle regular loan request. Now let's go to documents and upload a new file. And we have in here our fake invoice. So just a simple document. And I'm uploading that document in here. Now the processing for the document is also happening in the background. And eventually when we look at that, we see here that we have some metadata. So it's extracted Johnny Flowable, and the invoice is 1,299. That invoice, of course, is also AI generated. When we go back to open tasks, we see that we now have 2 tasks: handle regular loan request and review invoice. Back to the document, we actually also see here that the type is invoice, so that worked as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.